Good morning to one and all. I am S. Akila from final year MSCS TSWRTC in R. Karnool. Today I want to discuss about computer networks. What is a network? Network is nothing but as a set of devices or nodes that are connected each other via communication media or a channel. If two computers are said to be interconnected and the interchanging the information, then the connection between those devices done by some transmission media. It may be wired or a wireless. If it may be wired means copper wire, fiber optics, etc. It may be wireless means microwaves, radio waves, etc. And we also know that computer network means is a interconnection of a various computers to share some software, hardware and data through the communication media. We can also share the files, folders and applications to the other computers, right? The best example of the computer network is internet. Generally in our daily life we use the internet, right? To able to provide an effective communication, then here we need a good network. That here we have some criteria like performance. The performance of a network is good means we have a good communication. So here we have some factors are affecting, like transmit time, response time, throughput, delay. Transmit time is nothing but as the amount of a time taken for transferring a message from one device to another device. And response time, it is nothing but as the time taken the system starts responding towards the sender is known as response time. Throughput, that means it refers to the amount of a work done in a unit time. And there are also we have so many factors affecting the performance of a network, like transmission media, number of users, and efficiency of a connected hardware or a software, etc. So here to achieve the greater performance we need to improve our throughput and reduce the transmit time, response time and delay. We have some communicating models, like computer models are three types: centralized computing, distributed computing and collaborative computing. Centralized computing, it may also call it as a client server computing. In this type the system the multiple computers are joined to powerful mainframe computer, and the server or a mainframe computer is have the capability of huge storage and also the process capability. And distributing computing, distributing computing is nothing but as number of computers are interconnected each other and a task can be divided among the multiple computers, and here they are connected in each other. It allows the various services like network sharing, hardware sharing, file sharing, etc. This is the figure for the distributing computing. Here the four nodes are connected, interconnected each other. They are sharing the information. And collaborative computing, it is nothing but as a combination of a centralized and distributing computing. In collaborative computing, the nodes are able to solve the basic needs of their users, but also they depend on the other computers. This is the example for the collaborative computing in the given picture. Thank you.